this. What's going on, Dutch Stock? What's going on? Just getting everything set up for you guys. Give me a moment. Change. All right, there's that. Cool, set that up. Today is the 18th, I believe. Yep, 18th. Minus 4.5. Day 508. I'm live going over today's trading day, down 4.5K. All right, there's that. Cool. Put that there, put that there. Hopefully you guys had a great trading day out there. Hopefully you guys have been trading well. Sorry I've been on a meeting today. I'm just getting everything set up for you guys. Hopefully you guys had a great trading day out there. Hopefully you guys have been trading well. All right, so... Okay, there's that. Just getting it all set up here for you guys. Cool, cool, cool. Alrighty, guys. Getting this all set up. Hopefully you guys had a great trading out there. Hopefully you guys have been trading well. Sorry I was at a meeting today, but I had to come on and stream for you guys. So here's this. There's that. Cool. Now I'll go like this. Make sure to post that in here. Did I post that there? Oh, I did post that there. Cool. Alright, so there's that. Go like this. I'm live. Go like that. Hopefully you guys had a great trading day. What's going on, Alan Fishing? Brock Lane, what's going on? What's going on, Ramsey? What's going on, Ryan? Alright, so we had Vine. IMRN, we had DATS, BBIG, and then we had one other one, BBI. Alright, cool, there's that. What's going on, 19 birdies? Now let's go over TikTok here. Alright guys, we'll give it about 15-20 more seconds for people to trickle on in. I'm only going to go over today's trading day. Wasn't much today, but we'll go ahead and go over it. I covered my short at 516, so I was right before the close. This thing shot up to 599, believe it or not. So we'll give it about 15 more seconds for people to get on in. VIP, did I gain a lot of weight? No. It's probably the beard and the hair. What's going on, Abby? What's going on, M3? 19 birdies. What's up, man? How are you? Good to see you on 19. All right, about 10 more seconds for people to trickle on in. What's going on, Mike Katz? Raven Painting. User 905. What's going on? Good to have you guys on. Good to have you guys in. 713 Axel. Alrighty, guys. So we're just going to go over today's trading day, okay? Basically, I tried to short BBIG on a day 4 green day. So actually it's day 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Today was a 6th green day in a row. My apologies. Look at the volume we had today. We traded 200 and it looks to be 280 million shares. About $1.4 billion today traded on the name. Gonna be watching this one short again tomorrow. 6 green days in a row. We had a solid risk on. We didn't pay too much for the borrows. I believe it was like $400, maybe $500 max for the borrows. Wasn't too disappointed with the average. 494 was the average, so like right right in here was the average. So obviously, like, I didn't love the average. It was on the lower trend line, but I didn't have a massive amount of size either. I liked the way my size was. I liked the way I sized in. And then, going after that, luckily we covered. And I knew this thing was consolidating all day, and I saw this price action. I was in a meeting all day. So, I knew that, today was going to be, what's going on, Brittany Arts? I knew that today was going to be a toughie when I saw this thing consolidating, but I also knew that my odds were on my side. 6 green days in a row with that much volume. I really expected a red day, but you know what? It held up and ran after hours, so hopefully this one stays up tomorrow so we can short it again with clear risk off and with solid amount of size and doing all your DD, But for whatever reason, this thing just didn't give up today. I was in a meeting, and, I had a proper amount of size when I'm being in a meeting. And I was in a meeting all day. I mean, I was able to look at it and watch it, every 30 minutes to an hour or so. This thing just doesn't want to give up. We had a nice perk off, then sell off almost beneath the lows, then we had a rip up, then we had a nice sell off on the way down, then a rip up, and then a sell off on the way down with a knife. And then, of course, we perk after hours. So this thing could have failed multiple times, and it never did. That's the way it goes. That's the way it is, and we have to kind of move on from that. So now we have to wait for a reset up into tomorrow. I am short bias on this name, but you can't get over short bias in any one name. Lost about $4,500 today on the name, and that's it. Plus the borrow, so like another $400. So I'm pretty happy with the way I traded today, especially being in a meeting today. I'm not too disappointed with it. I know that BBI was another runner today, and then what was the other one? DWAC had a solid run today. Did Fun even do anything? I don't even think it did. Oh, it did. It came back. All the way from 285 to 387. So that was a solid opportunity there on Fun. IMRN just hung around, watching that one into tomorrow. Kind of wedging. DATS just kept on going and going. Just looking at the charts today, it seems like the market's coming back a little bit. Indo, not really. So, NYNZ. Yep, so I mean, it looks like the charts are kind of coming back. The market's starting to come back a little bit. What's going on TikTok? Hopefully, guys, if you're on TikTok, type in 1 if you can hear me. Type in 1 if you can hear me on TikTok. What's going on TikTok? If you can hear me on TikTok, type 1 in. I'd really appreciate that, guys. Anyways, guys, yes, I did turn 1K into 17 million. Alrighty, guys, so I really appreciate you guys subscribing to the NorMagnoTrading.com community. That's basically it on today's day. I want you on TikTok, those of you guys are on, make sure to stay on. I'll be, do you need an edit for TikTok? No, I don't, Joe. I mean, I don't know. I'm messing around with marketing. Maybe you can reach out to me, DM me. I'll be interested to hear you out, Joe. But anyways, guys, DWAC calls are printing for sure. I'll be watching DWAC, BBIG. I want to watch the highest moving stocks with the highest volume tomorrow, and that's kind of what I'm going to be focused on. And that's about it. So I appreciate you guys for being patient with me in today's meeting. I have a meeting every 2 months, basically just a CEO group where we get together, a bunch of like-minded people. And, they're awesome people, and they kind of go over, their careers, and we kind of just try and better our careers and kind of go over our businesses and things like that, which is awesome stuff. We have some solid guest speakers in there, and I really do appreciate going to those things. So appreciate you guys for hanging in there with me on the day like today. You don't actually show me the trades. No, I show you in the course. It teaches you trades that I was live in. It's all recorded though. So. But anyways, guys, I appreciate you guys subscribing. The NorMagnoTrading.com community helps the channel out a ton. I'm not a financial advisor. Trade at your own risk. Have a plan, a process, and a strategy. Free chat, link description below. My course team, process, link description below. Brokers and I lose. All link description below. Brokers, 2 stocks, left to $1,400. All link description below. Scan software code use KM15. 15% off. All in the links in the description below. I really appreciate you guys for subscribing to the NorMagnoTrading.com community. Cheers, team, and go Hawks.